in Wyoming. So first of all, give yourselves a round of applause for bringing the energy. Really, I mean that. It's so much fun for us when you guys are enjoying it. How many of you guys, this is your first BMX show you've ever been to? Oh, wow. Wow, well, thanks for coming. If you guys see something you like, or any of you guys want to get involved in BMX after the show, come up to us and talk to us. And I'm not just talking to the guys. 10 years ago, BMX was a male-dominated sport. In 2024, there are so many incredible females in the sport of BMX. There's a young lady that I just saw last week. She's 6 years old, and she's doing backflips. So BMX is for everybody. We'd love to get you guys involved. So I know some of you guys are still looking at us like, what is going on, bro? Look at this hole. There's a little short king on the ramp. He yells a lot. There's bikes. What's happening? Like I said, we're the No Hate Tour, and clearly you guys got it together. You guys are smart. You're in high school. I'm not going to sit up here and lecture you guys. But I will give you some important information. Bullying is still a thing. We all know what bullying is. But maybe you didn't know that there's 4 types of bullying. Physical, psychological, verbal, and cyber. We all know what cyberbullying is, right? And it's crazy, you guys might not know this. Obviously, I'm old, Dayton's old. Some of you teachers are old. We didn't have to deal with cyberbullying when we were in high school. You know why? Because we're so old that the internet wasn't invented yet. Can you believe it? But I think sometimes that was better because the people that bullied me, I knew who they were. Right now, you guys have to deal with cyberbullying, where it's somebody that you possibly don't know. Haters behind a computer screen. I'll tell you a funny story. So when the internet first came out, I got cyberbullied. Guess what I did? I found out who was cyberbullying me. Guess what I did? I went to his house. Guess what happened? Guess what happened? He was 7 years old. Guess what happened? Him and his dad both beat me up. So the reason I'm telling you that story, violence is never the answer. A lot of times, obviously that's not a true story, but violence is never the answer. A lot of times bullying leads to violence, or bullying leads to something worse than that. And you might not be the one that's getting bullied. That's why I love doing these shows, to be able to raise consciousness. We've all seen it. 88% of you guys, 88% of high school students witness some form of cyberbullying throughout the year. You can be an asset. If you see someone getting made fun of, or you see somebody getting bullied, don't even get involved. Just let one of your faculty members know, okay? Because like I said, high school's not easy, right? And you guys all got to get out of here alive. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Be kind and look out for each other. You guys want some more BMX out of my friends?